Personalized visuals in Power BI. The Personalized Visuals feature in Power BI allows report viewers, end users, to modify visuals to meet their specific needs without altering the underlying report for all users. The user can modify visuals by enabling the Personalized Visual option in the settings of Power BI Desktop. Users can customize visuals to meet their specific needs without requiring report developers to make changes. This reduces the burden on report authors and teams. Users can save their changes through bookmarks and return to their customized visuals whenever needed. This enhances the personalization experience and increases productivity. Personalized visuals help users focus on the specific metrics or KPIs that are most relevant to their role, leading to more efficient data-driven decisions. By allowing end users to customize visuals, report creators can reduce the need to build and maintain multiple versions of reports for different audiences. Users can modify the way data is aggregated, making it easier to focus on the most important metrics or switch between different views x, sum, average, count, etc. To enable the feature in Power BI Desktop, go to File, Options and Settings. Options. Current file. Report settings. Select the Personalized Visuals checkbox. Publish your report on Power BI Service. Open your report in Power BI Service. The user can modify the visual according to their preferences. The user can also customize the data fields based on their own preferences. To save the changes, the user can add a bookmark and set it as the default. When the user returns to the report, they will be able to view those changes. Thank you for watching this video. To know more about personalized visual, contact Vericitas.